Fatima's Inaya. Welcome back to my channel, Fun with Inaya. Hope you all are safe and fine. Thank you for your support. Please keep supporting me. Today I'm here with an easy Waterfall gift card. It's very easy and anyone can make within few minutes, even if you are not good with craft. So friends, shall we go to a video? Okay, let's go in. To make the card, we need 5 6 into 6 cm square paper, 5 into 5 cm square paper. Now we have to stick this. Once finished sticking, take another long strip of size 24 into 6 cm. Keep the card as I'm doing. Mark like this. Be careful to make the exact shape of the card. Now mark every 1 inch till number 4. I'm doing this because here I'm taking 5 cards to make this. You can increase the amount as much as you want. That is, if you are taking 6 cards, then you have to mark every 1 inch till number 5. Do it on both sides. Now connect the dot on each side to make a line like this. Make the line sharp. Now fold the line as I'm doing. Start from here. Now apply gum and stick the card into the strip as I'm doing. Carefully follow the step I'm doing. Then only you will get the correct output. Do the same with rest of the cards. Once finished sticking, wait it to dry. After drying, fold as I'm doing. Fold back this part of the strip. Take a small rectangular step like this and carefully do as I'm doing. We have to stick the strip here. Once finished sticking, it should be like this. Now see how beautiful this is. Draw a triangle like this, cut and do your decoration. Ta-da! It's ready! I have made a cover like this. If you want, comment me in the comment section. I will show you in the next video how to make this cover. Wow! See this, I had made the decoration of my choice. Decoration is completely up to you. Hey friends, did you like my video? If so, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.